To download and install the Brother HL L3270CDW driver on Windows, follow the steps below. Open Google Chrome and in the search bar, type Brother HL L3270CDW Printer driver and hit enter. From the list of search results, go to the Brother official website. On the product page, click on the Drivers tab. Select your operating system version, example, Windows 10, Windows 8.1 or Windows 7 from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and find the driver section. Click on the Select button next to the driver you want to download. Click on the Download button. The driver will start downloading. Save the file to a location on your computer. Once the download is complete, click on it to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and prompts to complete the installation process. The driver installation should automatically recognize the connected printer and complete the setup. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. You can now use your Brother HL L3270CDW printer on your Windows computer.